10 things you don't even know about your eye today. Your eyes are doing impossible things every single second, far more than science once understood. Every blink, every color, every flash of light comes from one of the most advanced biological machines on Earth. Today, we're breaking down 10 things you didn't know about your eye, and number 7 will completely change the way you see the world. This is Our Body Matters channel. Like and subscribe. Let's begin. 1. Your eye doesn't show you reality. Your eyes don't show you the real world. Up to 80% of what you see is created by your brain, not your eyes. Your eyes collect raw data, but your brain edits the final image you experience. 2. You have a built-in blind spot. Everyone has a small hole in their vision where the optic nerve meets the retina. You never notice it because your brain fills in the missing details automatically. 3. You can see with closed eyes. That warm red glow you see with your eyes shut in sunlight is real. Your eyelids can detect brightness and help regulate your internal clock. 4. Your eyes age faster than you think. Your eyes absorb light non-stop. Screens, sunlight, everything. That's why they often age faster than your skin and show signs of stress early. If this is blowing your mind already, hit like and subscribe so more people can learn how amazing their bodies truly are. Now, let's continue. 5. Your eyes clean themselves constantly. Every blink activates a 3-layer tear system that washes away dirt and protects you from bacteria. Your eyes clean themselves every few seconds. 6. Your eye can detect a single photon. Your vision is insanely sensitive. Experiments show the human eye can detect one single particle of light in darkness. 7. Your eyes predict motion. Your eyes actually predict movement before it happens. Your brain calculates where objects will be a split second in advance, helping you react instantly. 8. Your eyes detect invisible colors. Your eyes can almost detect ultraviolet and infrared light, but your brain blocks it. In rare cases, people with damaged lenses briefly see UV light. 9. Your eyes reveal emotion. Instantly, your pupils change before you feel emotions. They widen when you're excited, shrink when you're uncomfortable, and move faster than your thoughts. 10. Your eye shows your overall health. Your eye is the only place where doctors can directly see blood vessels and nerves. That's why retinal scans can reveal early signs of heart issues, diabetes, brain problems, and more. Your eyes are more than cameras. They're living super processors that help you survive and understand your world. They're one of the most extraordinary parts of the human body. If you have learned something from this, please like and subscribe now for more mind-blowing facts about your body. Your body is amazing. Let's explore it together.